Hello everybody, Curtis again at Cedar Specialist Cars in Mansfield. And today I'm out photoing this lovely Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line. This is an absolutely beautiful car and it's got a great level of spec as well. The main feature I'm sure you guys can see just above the roof there, so you've got your sliding opening panoramic sunroof, front heated seats, 360-degree parking camera with your park assist. It really is a fantastic spec car. Drives superb. And in my opinion, it is in the best colour as well. This particular Tiguan does come with a full VW service history, so you can be rest assured that it's been maintained to the highest standard throughout its life on the road. Like with all our vehicles, this one will have a fresh service and MOT once it has been sold. As you can see, there's no damage or dents anywhere on the car. It's in fabulous condition. And I'll show you guys the interior. So then moving into the interior, as you can see, the seats are in fantastic condition. There's no tears. It is a really clean example, and it smells amazing as well. If we just come through here, I see there you've got your park assist, heated front seats, and your 360-degree parking camera. So then moving into the back of the vehicle now, again, seats in absolutely fabulous condition. They're as close to new as can be. If you just peep through there, you'll see the car also does come with satellite navigation. The boot space, as you'd expect in a Volkswagen Tiguan, is fantastic. This does also come with its spare wheel, which is an added bonus nowadays. So then, if you are interested in this lovely Volkswagen Tiguan that we've got behind me, get in touch with us, send us an email or a phone call. We'll respond as quickly as we can. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you and see you soon.